Welcome back to today's class. So far we have completed exercise 4.1 and 4.2 of the chapter exponents, and we are going to learn the exercise 4.3. This is the last exercise of this chapter. So 4.3 exercise is based on two basic topics. They are expanded form and the standard form, writing in expanded form and writing in the standard form. So we will be solving the questions based on these two concepts. Question number 1 from the 4.3 is write the following in expanded form. Question number 1, A. A1 is 30 60 50. So we know how to write the numbers. We have been studying this, even we studied it in the previous classes also, writing in the expanded form. When we want to write the numbers in the expanded form, we must know their places, in which place the digit is lying. So here it is ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 3 lakh, 6,000, 50. This is. So expanded form means first we will decide the places, each digit. Zero digit, 0 is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So 3 is in lakhs position. So we will write it as 3 into lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. Plus 0 is in 10,000 plus. So we will write 10,000 here. Plus 6 is in 1,000 plus. So 6 into 1,000. Plus 5 again 0. 0 is in hundreds place, plus 5 is in tens place, plus 0 is in ones place. So here 10 power 1, it is 10 power 1. Okay, we can write it is 10 power 0. Right? We come to the we come from the top to bottom, or from the more number of zeros to least number of zeros, or more, in other words 10 power, here it is 10 power 5, when it comes to the end it is 10 power 0, is equal to, now 3 into, it is 10 power 5, 5 zeros are there, simply you can write it as 10 power 5. If you multiply 10 5 times, that's what you get, 1 lakh. Plus now 0 into 10 power 4, plus 6 into 10 power 3, plus 0 into 10 power 2, plus 5 into 10 power 1, plus 0 into 10 power 0. Here certain values will get nullified, means they get removed. 3 into 10 power 5, plus 0 into anything is 0, so we will not write it 0, or you can write it 0. 6 into 10 power 3, plus 0 into anything 0, plus 5 into 10, 10 power 1 means 10, 5 into 10, we can write it as 5 into 10 only, plus 0 into anything is 0. 10 power 0 is 1, but 0 into 1 is 0. So finally we can write the answer 3 into 10 power 5, 0 can be removed, 6 into 10 power 3, again this 0 can be removed, 5 into 10 power 10. So this is how we write the numbers in the expanded form. This is question 1A. You can verify your answers. Second one is, now we are going to have a number with decimal point 7.325. Here we have a decimal point. In the previous number there is no decimal point. So how does this expanded form change when there is a decimal point? To the left side of the decimal point, we read it, we start counting from ones place, ones, tens, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, like that. But to the right side of the decimal point, whatever the digits are there, how do we read them? It is tenth place, not tens, it is tenth. Tenth means we write it like this, tenths. Okay, in other words, TNTHS, tenth place. उसमें उसका मतलब है 1/10. यहाँ पर इंटू 10 लिखते हैं ना, यदि टेंथ प्लेस है तो इंटू 10 लिखते हैं, लेकिन डेसिमल पॉइंट के राइट साइड डिजिट्स के लिए यदि वो फर्स्ट डिजिट जो है वो टेंथ प्लेस में होता है, टेंथ्स, सो दैट इज 1 into 1/10, डिजिट into 1/10. Now we will write here only one digit there, so 7 into 10 power ones place के लिए क्या लिखेंगे हम 0, ones place के लिए 0 plus now 3 into 3 is after decimal point, so 3 into 1 by 10th place plus 2 into 2 is now the zeros will go on increasing 1 by 100th place. डेसिमल पॉइंट के राइट साइड में वंस प्लेस नहीं होता है, टेंथ प्लेस से स्टार्ट होता है प्लस 5 into 1 by 1000. Now we will simplify it. 7 into 10 power 0 is 7 only because 10 power 0 is 1 plus 3 into, as we have done in the previous exercise, loss of exponents. Here denominator 10 power 1, nothing there is nothing means 10 power 1. So when it comes upside it becomes 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into, here it is, first you can write it as 10 power 2, 10 into 10 is 100 plus 5 into 1 by 10 power 3, 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Finally you can write it as 7 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus now 2 into this 10 power 2 comes upside becomes minus 2 plus 5 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the answer for question number B. Now the C1 is 60.25. 60.25. After the decimal point, never ever read it as 25. You have to read it as 60.25. So now again, here two digits are there, ones place and tens place. So we'll write it as 6 into 10 power, it is tens place. So tens place means 10 power 1 plus 0 into 10 power 0 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into, it isn't hundredths place, 1 by 100. So the final answer is 6 into 10 power 1 plus this is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. I'm not going to write this. 2 into 1 by 10 means 10 power minus 1. 10 comes up. Then 5 into 10 power minus 2. So that's it about C1. The last D of question number 1 is 0.0054. For this, answer can be written as, in ones place 0 is there, so 0 into 10 power 0 plus here 0 into 1 upon 10 plus again 0 1 upon 100 plus 5, so into 1 upon 1000 plus 4 into 1 upon 10,000. Now it's equal to 0 into anything is 0, so I'm not going to write this 0, and again 0 into 0, 0 into 10 power minus 1, so that is also 0 again. 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 into 1 by 100, 0 into 1 by 100 means 0 into 10 power minus 2, that is also 0. Then plus 5 into 10 power, this is 10 cube in the denominator, when it comes to upside it will be 10 power minus 3 plus 4 into, in the denominator is 10 power 4, it is 10 power 4, when it comes upside it is 10 power minus 4. So this is question number D of 1. So this is how we write the numbers in the expanded form. Now question number 2, write the numbers in usual form. This is question number 2, and first one is 1.5268 into 10 power 4. Writing in usual form means that the question is given in exponential form. This is in exponential, so multiply it, simplify it and write in the usual form, the way we have questions given in the question number 1. So this is 1.5268 into 10 power 4 means 10 40, after 1 4 zeros, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 4 times multiplied 10. Now see here you can directly write the answer. Whenever you multiply with 10, 100, 1000, something like that, any number, decimal point will be shifted from one place to another place. If you are multiplying with 100 or 10, multiples of 10, if you are multiplying any decimal number with multiples of 10, then the decimal point will be shifted towards right side. In multiplication it will be shifted to right side. That means how many places? Equal to the number of zeros in the multiplier. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So this decimal point will be shifting from one shift, second shift, third shift, fourth shift. So this will come here. So 1, 5, 2, 6, 8. That's the answer. So after, at this point you have to put the decimal point. But after decimal point there is nothing. So you can write 0. But writing 0 again after the decimal point has no meaning. So the final answer will be as it is 5, 1, 5, 2, 6, 8. Very simple, right? Now look at this B1. Second one of this question is 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, in the previous question it was positive exponent. Now here we have negative exponent. Nothing to worry. 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. Negative exponent can be written in the denominator. 10 power 5 by changing its sign. Okay. Now 1.2 into 1 by 10 power 5 means 5 times zeros. After 1, 5 times zeros. Now here see this carefully. In the previous one, when you multiplied, decimal point shifted to right side. Now when you divide, what happens? Decimal point will shift to left side. You can simply remember my name, Mr. Dilip. DL is shortcut for Dilip. So MR means multiplication shifts to right side, division shifts to left side. Very simple, right? So 1.2. How many places the decimal point has to be shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. But here in this number there is only 1 point. After decimal point there is only 1 digit. So we need how many more digits? 4 more digits. So we will write 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros and 1. Now the decimal point is shifted. That means 2 comes here. 1.2 is 1. 1.2 into 1 is same as it is. So I haven't written it. So from this place to this place it is shifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So it comes here. After decimal point here there is nothing. So we can write 0. Nothing happens. Okay. So this is how we. In the multiplication it shifts to right side. Division it shifts to left side. Remember this carefully. Otherwise you get confused. And then third one. C of the question number 2 is 6.6 into 6.6 into 10 power 6. Here 6.6 into 10 power 6. That means 10 power after 1 6 zeros. As I told you in multiplication, what should happen now? This decimal point has to be shifted towards right direction. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. But there is only one. After this, there is after decimal point only 1 digit is there. So for shifting 6 places, we need 5 more digits. We'll write 5 more zeros. Now the decimal point which was here now is shifting towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It comes here. Okay. Into after decimal point, if there is nothing, 0 we can write. And but writing 0 after the decimal point has got no meaning, so we can remove it and simply write till here. 66, 00, 000. This is the answer for question number C of 2. And we have one more left, D, from question number 2. This is question number D of question number 2. Here this question is given in the expanded form. Okay, now so we need to convert it into the usual form. 5 into 1 means anything power 0 is equal to 1, so we can write it as 5 into 10 power 0. 5 into 1 means 10 power 0 plus 4 into 1 by 10 means it is in which place? It is after decimal point and it should be the first place. That's the reason 1 by 10. So it is the first digit after the decimal point. This is second digit after the decimal point. Third digit after the decimal point. Fourth digit after the decimal point. So we can write it directly as 5 into 1 means 5 into 10 power 0. That means it's in the first place. 5 plus otherwise 5 point, it's the first digit after the decimal point, so it is 4, second digit 5, third digit, and fourth digit is 5 again. So this is how we can write. In other words, yeah, that's it. Directly 5 into 1 means 10 power 0. This can be written as 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 10 power 0 means that is the ones place. So I have written it in the ones place. 5 is in the ones place. Remaining all are after the decimal point. So this is about question number 2, converting the given numbers, given expansions in the usual form. Now coming to the question number 3, express in standard form. This is question number 3. Standard form, what is meant by standard form? I explained it in the previous videos. What is meant by standard form? Standard form means writing the number in such a way that the decimal, after decimal point or to the left side of the decimal point, there should be only one digit, and after the decimal point towards right side, there should be an exponential form. So in this, I am writing decimal point here after 1, 7. There should be a number. There should be a number 1. Okay, the 7 point, the remaining digits. Now actual decimal point should be here. इसका मतलब decimal point यहाँ पर है. Okay, so from here it is shifted to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. We have shifted it to 5 places. So it should be written 10 power 5. When you shift the decimal point towards left side, you will have to multiply it with the 10 power 5. What I told you, the shortcut in the previous question is different. Okay, when we multiply, now you can see it back again. 10 power 5, here 7.9 is multiplied by 10 power 5. So multiplication with the multiples of 10, decimal point shifts towards right side. That means this shifts to right side. We will get back this again. So this is nothing but the standard form of the given number. Okay, now B1, question number B is 0.00000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 0.000282. So as I told you, that after decimal point towards left side, there should be only one digit. Here we have only one digit, but we need to have this decimal point after this 2. Okay, after decimal point, here this decimal point should come to 2 other than 0. Decimal point should, after decimal point towards left direction, there should be number other than 0. So here I am shifting towards right side direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places I have to shift. So decimal point comes here, and after decimal point there are only 2 digits, 2 into. Now how many places we shifted? 5 places. So it is 10 power 5. But in which direction? Towards right direction we shifted. So we will write it as minus. राइट साइड शिफ्ट करने के लिए माइनस लगाना है. ओके, यदि माइनस लगा हुआ नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो क्या होगा? लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट होता है. ओके, दैट इज जस्ट डिफर्स. नाउ यू इफ यू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट बैक 2.82 इंटू 1/10 पावर 5, इसका मतलब 1/10 पावर 5. 1/10 पावर 5 मीन्स 2. This is the answer. I am just doing it reverse. 1.28 into 1/10 power 5. इसका मतलब 2.82 into 1/50,000. Now, as I told you in the previous question, in division what happens? In division, it is the decimal point should be shifted to left side. So here 5 zeros are there. So from here, this decimal point will be shifted to 5 places towards left direction. So our answer is correct. This is B1. Now C is 0.00157. So here decimal point is after decimal point is to be shifted from here to 1, 2, 3 places. So when it comes to 1, remaining 2 digits are 5 and 7. How many places we shifted? 1, 2, 3 places. So it is 10 power minus 3. D1 is 31313 into 100 is equal to decimal point. Right now the decimal point is here. So from here 1 2 3 4 places it has to be shifted. So 3 point, decimal point should come here. After decimal point 1 2 3 4 digits are there. 1313 into 4 places we shifted, so we'll write 10 power 4. We shifted towards, just like this question, we shifted towards left side. So 4 places we shifted into, already 100 is there. So 100 means 10 square is equal to 3.1313 into 10 power 4 into 10 power 2. Both the bases are same. So what happens to the powers? When the bases are same, powers will be added. So 4 plus 2 it will be is equal to 3.1313 into 10 power 6 is the answer. So that's question number 3. Now moving towards 4. I hope you are able to understand these questions. Already I have explained the examples for each topic in the previous videos. Now question number 4. Through research, scientists found 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 kilograms of zinc in a person weighing 80 kilograms. That means a person whose weight is 80 kilograms. In that person, the quantity of zinc is found as 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 kilograms in one person. So how much zinc is present in 1500 such people? यदि हर व्यक्ति 80 kilograms वजन का ही हो, तो वैसे 1500 people में पूरा मिला के कितना वेट का ये जिंक होगा? So answer is very simple. I hope you got the idea how to solve this. Zinc present in one person. Is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 kilograms. Now we are asked to find out for 1500 such people. So this is for one person. Now zinc present in 1500 people is equal to 1 के लिए 1 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 5. Now for 1500 it will be 1500 into weight of zinc present in one person, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 5 kilograms. So this is equal to 1500 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 5. Multiply all these. 1500 can be written as, write this also in standard form, 1.5. After 5 there are, after decimal point at the end side, even if you don't write zeros also, it has nothing happens. 1.5 into decimal point shifted to 3 places, 1 2 3 places. So it is 10 power, we should write plus 3. So 1500 can be written as 1.5 into 1000. So that will be 1500 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 5. Now multiply 1.5 into 1.6. 1.5 into 1.6. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 1 5 is 5. 1 1 1. So it is 0. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6. Yes. 1 5 5 1 1. It is 5 4 0 4 2. And decimal point should come after 2 digits, 1 2. So it's 1.5 into 1.6 is equal to 2.40 into, now it is 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 5. 2.4 can be written as into, now both the bases are same. If both the bases are same and they are in product form, powers can be added. So 10 power 3 plus it is minus 5. Then 2.4 into 10 power 3 plus into minus is minus. So 3 minus 5. So 2.4 into 10 power 3 minus 5 is minus 2 kilograms. So this is this much weight of zinc will be present in 1500 people, each weighs 80 kilograms. So this is question number 4. Now only one question is left, that is question number 5. Question number 5. A box contains 5 into 10 power 2 paper clips. Each paper clip weighs 7 into 10 power minus 4 kilograms. So what is the total weight of the paper clips in the box? So here in a box there are 5 into 10 power 2 paper clips. 5 into 10 power 2 means 5 into 100. 10 power 2 means 100. 5 into 100 is 500. So there are 500 paper clips in a box. So each paper clip weighs 7 into 10 power minus 4 kilograms. This is the weight of one paper clip. How many such paper clips are there? 500. So we need to multiply it with 500. So the answer is like this, very simple. Weight of one paper clip is equal to how much? This is 7 into 10 power minus 4 kilogram. Then therefore weight of 5 into 10 power 2, that means 5 into 100, 10 power 2 is 100, 5 into 100, 500 paper clips is equal to 500 into weight of one paper clip. So it is 500 into one paper clip is 7 into 10 power minus 4. So now multiply these two. 500 can be written as 5 point. I am writing it in the standard form. 5 into decimal point coming from this place to 2 places. So 10 power 2 into 5 I'll write it like this, 5.0 into 10 power 2 into 7 into 10 power minus 4. Now 5.0 and 7, they can be multiplied together into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 4, which is equal to 5 sevens are 35 into 10 power 2. Both the bases are same, so powers are added, 2 plus minus 4, and it is 35 into 10 power 2 plus into minus, so 2 minus 4, which is equal to 35 into 10 power 2 minus 4. A bigger number is subtracted from smaller number, the result is negative 2 kilograms. So this is the weight of 500 such paper clips which are there in a box. So this is about question number 5. With this, the exercise 4.3 is over. So I have given all the answers, all the topics I explained through videos, and all the answers also I given you through the videos for 3 exercises. So I expect all the students to complete their notebook. When we meet in the school, there should be no delay, no excuse, no delay. Soon after you enter the school, the very first day, your notebooks will be checked. So children, please follow the instructions. Please update your notebooks on everyday basis. Thank you. Good day and goodbye.